Welcome to PGEUP. Today I'm going to show you how to get more views on YouTube with Reddit. Below are the 4 steps you need to follow to get views. 1. Find Reddit pages within your niche. 2. Check the rules. 3. Analyze what kind of post goes viral. 4. Make your post. So with that being said, let's get started. So first you need to go to reddit.com and make a free account. And the next thing you have to do is start joining some communities that are related to your niche. So how do you find pages or communities within your niche? To find pages within your niche, you have to go right up here in the search bar and type in the name of your niche right here in the search bar. Let's say Photoshop for example. Once you type it in Photoshop, hit enter and let it load. Once you are on this page, as you can see on the right hand side right here that we have a lot of communities to join. So we are just going to click on view more right here. And right on this page, all you can do is find the ones that are exactly your niche. And once you find them, just click on join. And you can join as many communities as possible, but make sure you are joining pages that are related to your niche. As you can see, each page has the number of followers or members that are in that particular community group, as you can write here. So make sure you join a group that has at least 60,000 active members. So try to go through as many pages as you can, and try to find at least 5 pages within your niche to join. Okay, so let's say you have chosen a page under your niche, just like this one right here. This page is called Adobe Photoshop. If you scroll down, as you can see, they have up to 476K right here. And if you scroll all the way down, as you can see right here, they have all the rules that you will need to follow to make a post in this group. So go through these rules very carefully before making a post on this page. So to add a post, all you need to do is go up and click right here where it say create a post. And you will land on this page. So once you are here, click right here where it says link right here. And once you do that, all you have to do is put in your title or the name of your post right here. For example, how to polish your picture. And once you are done, go to your YouTube page and copy your URL link and paste it right here in this box. And once you are done, click on the post right here. And once you make a post, it is going to appear in the community post section. So all you need to do is go back to the post section and check for your post, and you will see your post there. So all you need to do is go and find more pages that relate to your niche and repeat the same process we just did in this video. And your video will stand a chance of going viral. Remember, the more work you put in, the better chance your videos has of going viral. So, guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.